Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Abbott Afinion ACR Control. Over here we can see the brand name Abbott, the product name Afinion ACR Control. Here we can see this control contains a control 1 into 1 ml and control 2 1 into 1 ml. So that means control 1 bottle 1 ml and control 2 1 bottle 1 ml. Here we can see the manufacturing address Abbott Diagnostics from Norway. So the manufacturing from Norway, origin of the unit is Norway. This is the overall top view of this product. On this side we can see the brand name Afinion ACR Control, Abbott Afinion ACR Control. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product and plain side. This side we can see the barcode of this product. The reference number of this product is 11167779. Then we can see the lot number and the expiry date also. This side is plain. This is the overall view of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, after unpacking we can see there is an instruction manual there. I am going to take this out. After that we can see there is a control 1 and control 2. Before that we can see the instruction manual. So this instruction manual contains lot of languages. For now we can see only the English. Here the details of both control and control 2. Before that we can see this is Abbott Afinion ACR Control. Reference number 11167779. C certificate IVD product. This product contains control 1, control 2. These are the both control and control 2 details of lot number and barcodes, and also albumin-creatinine levels. Here we can see the this is the Afinion ACR Control product description, warnings and precautions, storage instruction, frequency of control testing procedure. So these are the contains inside this instruction manual. I'm going to keep this aside. After that instruction manual I'm going to take the controls. The first one is Abbott Afinion ACR Control 1. The temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This is a C certificate IVD product. A control 1 volume of 1 ml. The next one is control 2. Here also we can see Abbott Afinion ACR Control 2. The volume of control 2 is 1 ml. Both are 1 ml and both are 1 bottles each. So here we go for summary. This is a overall view of this product. Today we can see about the Abbott Afinion ACR Control. The reference number of this kit is 11167779. This kit contains an instruction manual and control 1 volume of 1 ml and control 2 volume of 1 ml. This is the overall view of this product. Thank you.